In this class, we will discuss about XNOR gate. XNOR gate is the one of the special gate. XNOR gate can be detect the even one detector. XNOR gate is the complement of XOR gate. Logical symbol of XOR gate. In this XNOR gate, we take two input variables A, B are the two input variables and the output is A XNOR B. Here the symbol indicates the XNOR. It should be like a XOR gate, but here the bubble is arrived in the output, so it should be XNOR gate. The XNOR gate like A B plus A bar B. Another example of XNOR gate is the NOT symbol is attached to the output of XOR gate is called as XNOR gate. Y equal to A XNOR B. A, B are the two input variables. Truth table of XNOR gate. Truth table consists inputs and outputs. Here we take two input variables A, B and output Y equal to A XNOR B. There are two input variables present inputs. So 2 power n takes 2 square. That implies 4 combinations. In general combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. The XNOR is the even one detector. So 0 0 is the even one. The output will be 1. 0 1 is the odd one. So the output will be 0. This is also odd one. The output will be 0. Here two ones are present in input variables. Therefore the output will be 1. We can see that the output is true or false. A takes 0, B takes 0, 0 0 plus A bar B bar 1 1 equal to 1. A takes 0, B takes 1. That implies 0 1 plus A bar B bar, that means 1 0 equal to 0. A takes 1, B takes 0. AB 1 into 0 plus A bar B bar 0 into 1, finally 0. The final combination A takes 1, B takes 1. 1 into 1 plus A bar means 0, B bar means 0 equal to 1. The truth table will be proved. And timing diagram. Here we take 4 different times: T1, T2, T3, T4. Timing diagram of XNOR gate. Four different times: T1, T2, T3, T4. Input variables A, B, output Y, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The timing diagram will becomes 2 low levels, 2 high levels, 1 low level, 1 high level, 1 low level, 1 high level. The output will becomes 1, 0, 0, 1. High level, 2 low levels, 1 high level. This is the timing diagram of XNOR gate. In final, we says that XNOR is the complement of XOR gate. In truth table, we can show that in XOR gate 0, 0 becomes even, so the output will be comes 0. But here XNOR gate is the even one detector, so 2 zeros are even one, so the output will be 1, 0, 1. Here one even, one odd one is there, so the output will be 0. But in XOR odd one detector, so the output will be 1. That means the XNOR is the opposite of XOR. Here one odd one, so the output will be 0. Here 2 ones, that means even one detector, so the output will be 1. The timing diagram finally comes. There are 4 different times: T1, T2, T3, T4. A, B are the input variables, Y is the output. In these 4 combinations, the A takes 0, 0, 1, 1, B takes 0, 1, 0, 1. The timing diagram of A comes 2 low levels, 2 high levels, B comes low, high, low, high, and the final output will becomes 1 high, 2 lows, 1 high. This is the timing diagram of XNOR gate. Thank you.